Hi, hello there, good day everyone, especially to our professor. I am Rowena De Asis from BSBA HR 1B and I'm the group leader of Group 2 and I'm here to introduce to you our project plan presentation entitled the Wawa Community Pantry. But before anything else, I would like to share to you some trivia about what is community pantry means. Community pantry, it is a form of sharing and giving any resources that you have, in kind or voluntary. The idea behind this was the people who's in need or people who's willing to share and give for those people who are in need. The concept of this community pantry is not new for us because as we all know that we are all Filipino that had various trades and traditions during ancient times that was we called bayanihan. And now as we know what is community pantry means, let's proceed with where did community pantry originate? The concept of community pantry is Islamic. A member from the Naudal Sur shared on that the Bayanihan concept is an obligation of Muslims to their communities. Community pantry is Islamic. They called it sadka, meaning charity. The Muslims do not just see this as a matter of personal choice, but, in fact, it is a part of their obligation to the community where they are in. And up to now, as our world are facing various dilemmas, so my group decided to make a project plan, which is community pantry, that would help other people to cope struggling poverty because of the pandemic and to be able to give or share any resources that we can and to be able to help people, especially those who's lost their job, lost their income, and those experience suffering. And we think that the community pantry concept that is sharing and giving is one thing that we contribute for some people whose taste and hit by the pandemic. That would be our simplest way to help them. In this video presentation, we include the 7 elements of our project plan. To further know more about what is our project plan, here is one of my members to discuss what is our objectives.
Good day everyone, I'm Jampoles Castro and our project is all about community pantry. So what are the objectives of this community pantry? The first one is to help people who need in this time of pandemic. We know in our times that our country facing a global pandemic carried a COVID-19 virus. Many have lost their jobs and many people suffered poverty because of this pandemic. The objective of this community pantry is to help people who need help and to reach the poorest of the poor. The next objective is the spirit of bayanihan and compassion to fellow Filipinos. I believe that we Filipinos are naturally helpful to each other, even in the times of disaster and crisis. Through this project community pantry, the spirit of bayanihan will revive and show how generous and compassionate the Filipinos. The third is to give hope for every people who struggle in these tough times. Many people are still unable to work, and many Filipinos relying on government aids. But in reality, those aids was not enough. Through this project community pantry, we want to feel and encourage them that there's still hope for them to strive in these hard times. The last objective is to give opportunity to those people willing to help through donations and sponsorships. This community pantry project is not just for people in needs, but for those compassionate and generous people willing to help others by giving donations and sponsorships, giving them to extend their help and support to our fellow Filipinos who experience hunger. Also encourage donors to give what they can and recipients to take what they need.
Good morning everyone, I'm Prolin Carlos of Group 2. I'm here to discuss the boundaries of our community project, which is community pantry. This community project mostly focuses on the topic which is community pantry. Students voluntarily made community pantry that will somehow help people in Wawa Street who are in need now that there is a pandemic. This study will be conducted in Wawa Street, E. Pascual, Towns North, Navotas City. because the students observes that there are many people living or families there that are in need now, especially in this time of pandemic. This community project has no limited acquisition of necessities. It's unlimited. They can get what they want as long as they need it in their daily life.
Good day to all of you. I'm Jerome Copiaco. The location we choose is at Tangos North, the corner of Wawa. Here, we will build a community pantry. At dito maganda yung pinaka-location mo kung tatayo ka ng gantong community pantry. Dahil may bilis makikita ito ng tao at maraming nangangailangan ng tulong dito lalo na ngayon dulot ng pandemya. At isa pa po sa aking dahilan kaya dito gusto kong itayo yung community pantry na gusto namin gawin ay para din po makatulong sa jeepney driver na natambay o nawalan ng trabaho dulot ng pandemya. Lalo na po ngayon na mahigpit at kapos po tayo ngayon sa pera o trabaho dahil sa pandemya ito, mas makikita nila ito dahil sa kanto lang ito ng Wawa. Yun lang po.
Good day, I am Reynalyn S. Conge, BSBA HR1B, discussing now the target beneficiaries of Community Pantry. So here are the target beneficiaries of Community Pantry, E. Pascual, Tangos North, Navotas City, Wawa Community Pantry. Jeepney drivers, senior citizens, PWD, side vendors, unemployed, homeless citizens, construction worker are the possible target beneficiaries for Wawa Community Pantry. Though of this pandemic, we experience how hard life is, but we fight as one to survive. Today is the trend of Community Pantry where everyone has the right to take or to get based on their needs. Through this Community Pantry, we learn to love, to hope, and to fight on what we have right now. So that's all for the target beneficiaries. Thank you for listening, and God bless.
Duration, time of implementation. We estimate our availability before we start to this point, so we decided to dedicate a 3-hour Sunday morning community pantry in Wawa Street, E. Pascual, Tangos North, Navotas City, which is in May 2, is the starting point of our giving time at exactly 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. every week. We can give all their needs, essentials or not, we can give all their needs. Our project titled Community Pantry end up with August 29, 2021 at these 18 sessions and 54 hours of giving the needs and to show our bayanihan to fellow Navoteños that giving hope for every people who struggle in this time. We hope that everyone can help throughout this day. Thank you.
So good day everyone, my name is Aliyah Van Barkin and I will be discussing the whole budget for this community pantry. The expense budget includes a detailed estimate of all the costs that are likely to be incurred prior to the completion of the project. The expense section typically has 5 categories, but today I will be just discussing 2 of them. As you can see on the PowerPoint, which are the goods and the materials. Under the goods section, I included the most essential goods that people most of the time purchases, which would be rice, canned goods, noodles, vegetables, eggs, and instant coffees. The subtotal is 4,160 for the goods purchased. While the material section has face shield and face mask that people shouldn't forget amidst this pandemic. Next are the table, sandbag, and the tarpaulin. The subtotal for the materials purchased would be 827 pesos. The estimated grand total of the whole social project would be 4,987 pesos. So as you all know, Community Pantry also consists of donations and sponsors. But those contributions aren't included in this expense budget. Those in-kind donations are placed in the income budget that I would not elaborate furthermore.
Methodology. Here, as you can see, the implementation of the Wawa Community Pantry, and how we would establish it in the place and include some tips about it. The community pantry is not be successful if we do not want to encourage other people. Definitely, as long as we had friends, acquaintances, families, fellow villagers who wants to help others, that we are in the modern world that every people can use gadgets by the process of technology in the simplest things such as posting in different forms of media sites can contribute a big help to the project. Next is we think also to must know what is to find out what is needed to what it takes to be able for us to get started. In an Excel or on paper, we listed except for the foods or we wanted to distribute, but we also wrote down the equipments of my colleagues that would be used to build our community pantry. And then we find a place that is frequented or places where people are needed. Places is important part of the project, so my colleagues and I choose a better place where we can easily go. And most important is the place where there are many people who's lost their job and also people that are needed. Next, we also contact, of course, with the local government and the covering barangays that we will build a community pantry in the area. And since that we are in the pandemic, we also need to keep the protocol enforced by the government. Lastly is of course to lay. We use whatever old pouches, boxes, etc. that could be used as an our stock. We also put signs to be able to explain the content of our project. People that are frequented our place encourage us to take according to their need or their needings and also give according to their ability. Now, let's proceed to the conclusion of our project plan. And as of now, that the community pantry is reversible in different parts of the country and to our world. This shows us our determination and also give much more support for those people who are mostly needed at this time. Therefore, we conclude that the implementation of the Wawa Community Pantry is became successful for as long as there are people who are willing to share and give and people that are needed us. Our group do our best to be able to grow and also to give inspiration to others. That is more fun if you can give or share simple thing to other people. The simple thing or simple help can bring a big help for those people and to our world rather than to contribute dilemma that our world is now facing this kind of pandemic. And I think that it would be the end of our video presentation. Again, I am Rowena De Asis from BSBA HR1B and we are the Group 2 presenter saying good day and always keep safe and thank you.